Welcome to ViPR Publishing. If you're new to AI, or you're still a little unsure about it, you're in the right place. We keep this simple, practical, and human. Today I'm going to introduce the 4 pillars behind Prompted by Feelings, and we'll start with Pillar 1, Emotional Intelligence. And before we do anything deeper, I'll show you a quick way to personalize your AI so it feels like a steady partner, not a pushy robot. Because most people don't dislike AI because it's too smart. They dislike it because it can feel impersonal, or long-winded, or a little cold. And I'll be honest, my first week with AI, I had a few moments where I stared at the response and thought, well, that's an answer. And then I chuckled, changed one line in my prompt, and suddenly it worked. That's not failure. That's learning how to steer the tool. So we fixed the tone first. Here are the 4 pillars, quickly. Pillar 1, Emotional Intelligence. Getting clear about what you feel, why it might be showing up, and what to do next. Pillar 2, Personalization. Training your AI's tone and structure so it helps the way you learn. Pillar 3, Practical Use. Real life and work. Writing, planning, summarizing, and reducing overwhelm. Pillar 4, Consistency. Small habits that build confidence over time. Today we start with Pillar 1, but we'll use Pillar 2 right now, because it makes everything work better. Here's the goal for emotional intelligence. When emotions feel tangled, you're not trying to solve your whole life. You're trying to get clarity, calm, accurate words, then one small next step. Now let's personalize your AI. You're basically teaching it how to talk to you, like training a helpful assistant. Copy and paste this prompt. From now on, be my calm, friendly mentor. Keep answers short and practical. When I share emotions, reflect them back in one sentence. Then ask one gentle question. Avoid hype, pressure, or fear-based language. If my prompt is unclear, ask one clarifying question first. That's it. Now here's how you use Pillar 1 in real life. Let's say you feel off. Not terrible, just off. You can type something like, I feel off today, distracted and tense. Help me name what I'm feeling in 1 or 2 words. Then help me notice what might be causing it. Then give me one small next step I can do in 10 minutes. That structure matters. Name it. Notice it. Next step. And here's what a good response often does. First, it reflects you. It sounds like you're feeling tense and unsettled. Then it asks one gentle question. What's the main thing your mind keeps circling back to? And then it gives you one small next step, something simple you can actually do. Now, mentor tip. If the AI gives you a weird answer, you're not doing it wrong. Just steer it. Try. Try again, make it simpler. Or shorter. Or ask me one question at a time. That's personalization again, and it's a skill you build fast. If you'd like the free prompt guides, grab them on our website. And if you join the email list, we'll send simple prompts and beginner-friendly tips each month. Next video, we'll continue the pillars and build this step by step. Thanks for spending a few minutes with me today. Calm and clear beats rushed and overwhelmed. Let's take it one step at a time.